through home run quizzes. And again, as you know, we've had a lovely time quizzing all of you guys coming everyday live at 7:30 p.m. and coming in the evening. Okay, just in the nick of time, Anandita is also joining the session. So here's Anandita. All right. Hi, Anandita. Okay. And before we start, let me just tell something to all of you if you probably do not know. So today is special and today is Anandita's birthday. So a very, very happy birthday to from all of us, from Home Run Quizzes, from Rishabh and from me to you. So happy
Thank
birthday,
you, thank you.
Anandita. And
Thank you.
what else
Thanks
could be
Anurag, thanks Sumiran, thanks Neha. बहुत उन्होंने विश कर दिया
so
already. So
what else could be a better way to start off a birthday with rather than having a quiz? So here's a quiz that we all are here to celebrate your birthday. So in return, let me just add one more thing. When it was my birthday a couple of weeks back, a couple of days back on 28th of April, Anandita had given in hosted one quiz on the live quiz series, and in return, here's me. I'll be hosting a quiz in for Anandita, and let's say we both will be conducting one special quiz for all of you. Okay. So Anandita, before we start off discussing the answers to the previous quiz, anything you'd like to add?
just that I am feeling old enough. Oh my god.
All right, all right.
I
So
think this tattoo is the
since
only thing that makes me feel that I'm young.
okay, I need to get one of those, of course. All right. So let's just discuss with the answers to these the previous set. All right. So this was the set that we ran quite a long time ago. So this happened on the 4th of May, and yeah, we both co-conducted this one, and this was the finale of the lockdown quiz series, right? And again, we decided to pursue this and not end this on that note, and we'll of course have this not as frequently, but we'll have it on sometime, right? So here we go. Let's quickly discuss the answers to these questions. So Ananda, do you want to go ahead with the answers? Go ahead.
So this is the person who celebrates his birthday with Isaac Newton. Oh, I give the answer. So this is Isaac Newton. He celebrates his birthday with Jesus Christ, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and a lot of people. So yeah, this is Newton, who is otherwise known for gravity. Yeah, I think Apple hit him too hard that he wrote a book on vegetables as well.
All right. So here's the next one.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite films. So this is Citizen Kane, where Orson Welles played he directed, he produced, and he played the titular role. So yeah. What
So
about the
guys,
sound, Anurag? Are you not getting the sound?
yeah, I hope we are audible because yeah, both of our voices are not on mute, and I believe everything is working fine. I can hear Anandita. Anandita can hear me properly. So I
Yes.
hope it's fine with everyone else as well. So if you probably are watching, please let us know. Um I would like
Anurag
to
says
hear
it's not
from.
coming.
So I'd like to hear from a couple of others as well. So Sneha, Somiron, please let us know if we are audible to you properly. Please let us know, guys.
It's there. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let's carry on. So Anurag, please check your own phone. Maybe again you
Yeah.
don't have internet, proper
Yeah.
internet.
Yeah. Okay. Moving on. So here's the next question.
Okay, you can give the answer. I give first too.
Okay, so this is name the city that's got a city of 7 hills and a lot of different things. So this is simple answer, the city of Istanbul. Okay, so it's something that's located between Asia and Europe. Okay, so this was an easy one there. Okay, moving to the fourth question.
Yeah, so this is the Hindi word for whole is Ched. So this is from Ched is Chad, the African country as well. So Chad is the exhaustive list is about there are only like 11 geographical entities which are legit words on Scrabble. So Chad is one. So yeah, this is Chad, a Chad
Uh,
or whatever you want to call it.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Just before that, I've
Shagnik.
got a comment.
Yeah, Shagnik, I had told in the last quiz also that it started filming in 41. The movie worldwide release was in 42. So yeah.
Okay, just before that, there's a comment there which is asking for will you guys be declaring the scores after the quiz? So we take your answers, and how you have to answer is through the WhatsApp number or on the Facebook page. We'll ask you straightforward 16, 17 questions for today, and we take in your answers, we calculate the scores, and in the next quiz before we start, just like today, we'll declare the scores to that quiz. Okay, so once we declare the answers to the previous quiz, then we declare the scores to the previous quiz. Okay, the leaders or the leaderboard or the winners, and then we move on with the next set of 15 questions or 17 questions or 16 questions. Okay, yeah.
Moving
Moving
on.
on to the next
Question number
question.
5. Oh, this
Yep.
was my
Yep.
favorite. So all the
Yeah.
Bengalis in the house give me a shout out when I say the name. It is none other. So Bengal has three dadas: Bumbada, Shurav Dada, and this Dada, which is Mithunda. So this is Mithun Chakravarti and his son being named Mimo. So Michael Jackson and Muhammad Ali. So that's why I said think of the father. So Mithun Chakravarti is someone who's known for his dancing as well as fighting. So yeah, this is Mithun Chakravarti naming his son Mimo. Like seems like what Sheldon would call his grandmother, but it's okay. Rishabh, you've got stuck. Wapas aao. Rishabh. Okay, guys. Wait. Dhananjay, we are not wasting time, but we have to plus first give out the answers to the previous thing. So please bear with us. Guys, Rishabh has just got disconnected. I don't know what happened. We are just. Ow. His internet is not working, guys. He's trying to figure out. He's really trying hard to figure out. Please. Thanks, Awan. Thank you so much. As I said, I love your name too. So one sec. Guys, we are very sorry. Just got snapped out of the internet. Can you guys hear me? Yes, I am proceeding with the answers. Actually, the PPT was open in Rishabh's laptop, so I'll carry forward. It's okay. I am just opening the slides. So yeah. Sorry, guys. So can you all see this? Can you all see it? Can you all see a slide which says lockdown finale quiz?
Oh, okay. Uh, I hope I hope I'm audible, Nandita. Please
Oh,
let
you
me
can
know.
see me only. Oh,
Yeah.
Rishabh is back.
Yeah. Am I audible properly?
Yes, you are.
All right. So let me again quickly share my screen since the presentation is with me. Okay. You can let me know what question we were on.
Mimo.
Okay. Yeah. Can we go ahead or we were on this question?
Mimo. Before this, go back to the
Okay.
question, previous
Here you
question.
go.
Yeah, so the next question. Yes, correct. Question number 6. So if it is a company which is usable, likable, then it is more likely to be workable. So the answer to this question was workable. The company is called Workable. As we gave you a hint that this is something which we quizzers ought to achieve when we make a quiz. So this is workable. Yeah, moving on.
Okay. Here we go. Question 7.
Oh, this is my favorite. So Mark were being called Audi because it's 0000, which looks like an Audi. And Vishab again got Gayab.
Yeah.
Oh, he's back.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is Audi because of the 0000.
All right.
Oh, this was very easy. We give you Boston. So the only protest you can think of is Boston Tea Party. So X was of course Boston Tea Party and Y was of course Tea. So this is Boston Tea Party and tea.
Yeah. So this was a very simple set, bro. It was a very easy set. Okay. Here's question
Oh,
9.
so if you see the movies we are talking here are Reservoir Dogs or Pulp Fiction. And if you know who directed the movie, that's the answer. So this is Tarantino, who owns a fictional fast food joint called Big Kahuna Burger. It's not a real company, you can't get Big Kahuna burgers, but this is a fictional Hawaiian based company owned by Tarantino.
All right. Here's question 10.
Yeah, I'm getting very hungry now. So this is paratha. This is paratha. So this is my Punjabi half giving out a lot of parathas to everybody. Aloo ke paranthe, muli ke paranthe, gajar ke paranthe, and all paranthes. Whatever you like, you can have. Treat
Okay.
मेरी तरफ से. So this is the song I talked about last, as far as I remember. I told you about a 2011 song in this question. The song was a song called I Love You, which was from the movie Bodyguard and which was sung by this guy. So this is Ash King. This is Ash King, guys.
Okay. Question 12.
So moving on. Oh, so इतना multi talented sports में एक ही बंदा हो सकता है. And his name is Abraham Benjamin De Villiers. So this is AB De Villiers, guys. Yes,
Okay.
the gentleman, the Rahul Dravid reborn in South Africa guy. So yeah,
Right.
one of the most gentlemen in the game. So yeah,
Here's 13.
moving on. Oh, this was again an easy question. You had only North America's only black billionaire. I also somewhere mentioned that ranked the richest Afro American. So yeah, this is Oprah, of course, Oprah Winfrey, guys. So yeah, this is Oprah Winfrey.
Okay. Here's
Moving
14.
on. And as I said, I think this was I told ki one of their songs has to be our logo, and the logo will be "We Will Rock You." So this is Queen. So yeah, you can do, and this is Queen. So yeah,
All right.
Moving on
Year 15.
to the last question, I think. No, there's one more.
Yeah,
So
there was
this
16 in
is
total. Yeah.
yeah. So this is a person who wants to be a famous cricketer. You see yellow, you see Tamil, you see cricketers. So this is Chennai Super Kings ka captain, MSD, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, guys. So this is MSD, but the movie is called Dhoni, not MSD. The movie is called Dhoni. As I said, it was named after the surname. So this is Dhoni.
Okay, and
Moving
finally,
on to the last question. Oh, so
personal
what
feeling.
better question to end the quiz? It is quiz. So this is quiz. The
All right.
word is
So
quiz.
yeah, like perfect end to the COVID 21 series. And let me get on to the presentation or the quiz for today. Just a second. Okay, yeah, just a second. I'm gonna share my screen now. Okay, here we go. Yeah. All right. So again, welcome to. So this is our edition 28. So this is for today going to be a general quiz on the 13th of May, which also happens to be the birthday of one of our quiz masters and the voice of home run quizzes, Anandita.
He
So
said it.
a
He
very
finally said it.
a very happy birthday to Anandita once again. So again, thanks a lot for all of you for joining. Please let your friends know. So we do this occasionally, and we'll of course tell you in advance whenever we do this. So this happens live on Facebook. Please do follow Home and Quizzes on Facebook. We've got a WhatsApp number to do, so that you get to know about our quiz updates. Follow us on Instagram and. Shortly, we'll have all the videos of these COVID 21 series on YouTube as well. And we plan on doing a few more things on YouTube as well. So there's that. And about the questions for today, how you can take part is you have to send in your answers to one particular number. That's 8600280168, which will be saying at all the times at the bottom of your screen. Okay. And alternatively, if you probably are joining through a mobile browser, you'll have to go in the traditional way and just take a piece of paper, write down your answers, and send in your answer, click off your answers to us. Okay. And alternatively, you can just send in your answers to the Facebook page. Uh, Anamita, I think one of your tabs has got the video open. I think you probably need to stop that. Okay. I hope I'm
No,
audible
it was
properly.
echoing. It was echoing. Sorry.
Okay, okay. I hope I'm audible
Shagnik,
properly.
I'm not a great person. I don't have birth anniversaries yet. It's a birthday quiz, please.
Okay, so here is the leaderboard. So Anandita, you wanna go ahead and read out?
Oh, so Sahil topping it with a whooping 14 out of 16, which is amazing. Then you have Deepdeep with 13. Shagnik is very close behind with 12.5. Janvi following him very closely, and so is Vinay with 12. Then we have Shamiran at 11, Rahul at 11, Nikhil at 11, Gaurav at 11, Prashant at 11, Avan is at 10, Tanishk is at 8.5, Anurag is at 8, and Shahul is at 6. So here are the scores, Anurag.
All right. Again, thanks a lot, all of you, for sending in your answers. So here is going to be the format for today. We've got a total of 17 questions. Quite a lot of questions for today as compared to our usual 15 or 16. So 1 to 5 are going to be dry general questions. 6 to 10 are questions on beverages, and 11 to 17. So we will both basically will co-host the whole session, but then 11 to 17 particularly will be done by the birthday girl. Okay, so let's quickly start off with that.
Rishabh
Right.
has made me a bevra, huh? Guys, don't mind. A special round on beverages.
So it says beverages, right? Not alcoholic drinks. But anyway, moving on to the first question for the quiz today. So what you see here is something you see basically two dishes, okay? And just fill in the blank with the national vegetable of India. Your answer is the national vegetable of India. So the first dish to your left is called the dash ombal, okay, with this particular vegetable, jaggery and along with tamarind. Okay, so that's about the dish that you see to your left, and the dish that you see to your right is a baked version of the same vegetable. Okay, it's a simple, plain, blunt version of that particular vegetable. Okay, so just fill in the blank, have a careful look at the image. It will definitely help you come to what could be the national vegetable of India, and just take a guess what is the national vegetable of India. Okay, simple answer there. Yeah. Anandita, anything you want to add?
Anurag, I'm not giving hints, but the only thing I can say, oh wow. So the only thing I can say about this vegetable is it is very ironic that it's a national vegetable, maybe because there's a national hatred for this vegetable within children.
Yeah, I mean, probably if you personally ask me, I would not be a huge fan of this thing. So there's that.
But I
And
am, and it's my birthday quiz, so it's okay.
So Samiran says, I made this today. What a coincidence. All right. Okay, good, Samiran. Okay, really good. That's really good. Okay, moving on to the next question. Okay, so this happened. There's a reason why. Let me just explain the question. There's a reason why this question is present in the set. Okay, so Microsoft Dash. Okay, what you see here. What on to your right, you also see the logo. So Microsoft Dash is a
They
cloud computing.
don't know the reason, guys. Don't think too hard.
Okay, so is a cloud computing service created by Microsoft for building, testing, deploying, managing application and services through Microsoft Managed Data Centers. Okay, so just have a look at the color of that logo and just fill in the blank with the name of a color. And Anandita, do you want to go ahead and tell why this
Okay,
question?
so I will reframe the last line. Fill in the blank with the name of Anindita's favorite color. So, so yeah.
So a few of the questions
Having
that.
no hints, I'm pretty sure 80% of the people, including my fiance who is watching this quiz, don't know what's my favorite color. So it's okay.
Oh, okay. So there's that, and yeah. So a couple of questions that I had in mind, like what could be a few questions that I could be adding here. So
So
like here's
guys, I'll give you Rishabh's idea of making today's quiz. He gave me a slam book to fill. All the answers have been translated into answers. So yeah.
so it just makes my job easy there. All right. So moving on to the next question. All right. So here's the next question. So what do you see here?
Again, something I like.
You
Again,
see
something I like. Oh,
you
Nitesh
see
says I
here
know. Nitesh, DM me what's my favorite color, please.
or the answer to that question. All right. So, question three: what word is blanked out, which is also a flavor from Starbucks, right? Starbucks coffee. So, and this particular thing is one of the main ingredients of this flavor. So, it says dash frappuccino, strawberries and creme frappuccino, no syrup, no, sorry, add vanilla syrup, add raspberry syrup, add whipped cream, and to enjoy, right? So it's so just have a quick look at the rainbow colored thing, okay? And now think of an ingredient which probably would go into this frappuccino, and think of a brand, okay? Think of a rainbow colored, colorful rainbow brand, okay? Which is one of the main components of this particular frappuccino. So what is the main ingredient of this frappuccino? Okay, Shamiran also says one question gone for my Bistec. Okay, interesting. All right. So, Anandita, anything wanna add on this one?
Um, there are two favorite things out of this you can get. One is one of my favorite fruits, and the second thing you can get it is मेरे बचपन का favorite cartoon.
Yeah. Okay.
So there was this character called Miss Dash, which was a
Yes,
plural
yes,
of this fruit.
yes, 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 exactly. Yeah. All right. So as I said, like quickly summarizing the question, um, a flavor or a type of coffee which you will get at Starbucks, a frappuccino, you'll get at Starbucks. Okay. Have a look at the rainbow colored or the colorful thing. Think of a brand and think of a main component which would probably go into this particular frappuccino. So what could that be? All right. There's that. So think of a brand basically, which has got a lot of colors and it's the main ingredient of this particular frappuccino. Moving on to question 4. Okay. So what has inspired the design of this Olympic building, which was built for the 1992 Barcelona Olympics by Frank Gehry? All right. Simple question. So I'm going to quickly zoom in to the image so that you all can have a closer look to the both the things. So we're looking for a general answer for half a point, but then it's a specific answer though. But then if you give us what is the general answer, we'll give you half points. Okay. So what this could be the general thing, and it is inspired from something golden. Okay, if that adds there. So okay, it is inspired from something golden,
Also
and
think
this
about
whole
me again.
what would, yes, exactly. I mean, I didn't mean to put this question in that particular way, but it's being ended up in that particular way. That is that. Okay. So think of something again that Anandita would like, or a lot
I'm
of
pretty
people
sure
here would like.
Shagnik likes. Even Shagnik likes it, so I know this.
A lot of people here would like this thing. Yes. Okay, so what has inspired this thing? And so think of something golden that will give you the specific answer. But then we'll give you half a point if you tell us what has inspired this Olympic pavilion in Barcelona for the 1992 Olympics that was built by Frank Gehry. Okay, so that's question 4. Here is question 5. Okay, again, simple one. Okay, let me quickly zoom into the image. So what has basically inspired this whole clothing? Okay, so have a look at the dress. So what is this dress inspired from? Okay, simple simple question there. All right,
With a
anything?
very simple answer, guys.
Yeah,
Don't
just
think
think
too much.
just think just think very simple. Think of good
Okay,
old
I'll give you
thing.
a big clue. I'll give you a big clue. I'll give you a big clue. Think of anyone's. I'm a big travel lust or like wanderlust. So think of the topmost thing any wanderlust would love to see.
Oh yeah,
The first half of that thing is the answer.
of course. So again, this was one of the favorites that would feature 9 out of 10 times in a quiz that you are going to, right? All right.
So yeah,
That's about the
the
set of
wanderlust
questions.
in me does want to go there. So yeah.
Yeah. Right. Going on to the next question. So questions 6 to 10, just to narrow things down and make things easy. 6 to 10 are basically based on beverages. All right. So this is the recipe. Again, very simple questions. Just think of very common answers. Again, nothing too specific. Think of very simple answers, very straightforward answers. Here is the first question on the theme of beverages. So this basically is the recipe for which drink? Muddle mint leaves with sugar and lime juice. Add a splash of soda water and fill the glass with cracked ice. Pour the rum and top with soda water. Garnish the spring of mint leaves and lemon juice. Serve with a straw. Okay, very simple one. What is this the recipe to? All right, Anandita, anything to add? Okay, Anandita has left for some reason. Okay, I think I will continue till then. Okay, so continuing. All right, Anandita is here. Yeah. Yeah, Anandita. Again, there was some internet connection there. Anything you'd like to add to this question? I
Yeah,
can.
the centermost letter of this drink is often mispronounced.
Right, right. There's that. So yeah, think of a common mispronunciation between something, beverage,
So,
cocktail, let's
guys,
say. Here's question 7 again. So Anandita, so let me just explain the question and then we will come to what this is. What is the connection with Anandita here? So some say that the name of this beverage is derived from an English equivalent for fast. However, it is borrowed from the Italian word that means pressed out coffee. Right? So what is something that we are talking about? And yeah, Anandita, over to you.
I'm a coffeeholic person, guys. My birthstone was a coffee bean.
Okay.
Yeah,
And also you
yeah. Just
mentioned
that
that.
I don't put pictures on Dalgona coffee on my page, maybe, or my timeline, maybe. But I'm a huge coffee buff. So
So
yeah,
also you mentioned a particular type of this is something that you like, right? So again, that's something.
yeah. This is the type of coffee I like. So if I go
Okay.
to Starbucks or CCD, this is what I order.
Right. Again, a simple one. So again, we're not gonna spend a lot of time on this
Devi,
one. Here's
stop telling this to me. Having one right now.
okay. Yeah. Here's question 8. So which Irish drink are we talking about? So a quick study, a study went on like this, and a quote has come in from this particular study that I've taken here. So studies claim that this particular thing, what your answer is, can be beneficial to the heart. Researchers found that antioxidant compounds in the dash, similar to those found in certain fruits and vegetables, are responsible for health benefits because they slow down and deposit of harmful cholesterol on the artery of walls. So what is this? So which Irish drink are we talking about? Okay. So what is this?
And again, guys, the connection is me. I love this.
Yes. Correct.
And Nitesh Bhasin, please carefully read the statement. It is good for my heart. Let me have it more.
Okay. When this plain simple think of what Irish could be, what could this thing be? Okay, think of a famous Irish drink, and that will be your answer. Also, the blanks are indicative in this particular question, so again, making things easier for all of you. Next question is this. So, the name of which Indian soft drink concentrate means taste in Sanskrit. Okay, very simple answer there. Probably a personal favorite, but again a favorite of a lot of people, I'm pretty sure. So this is something that we used to have
Five
very
lettered
frequently
name.
in
Very
childhood.
small five lettered name.
Yeah. Again, okay, you didn't have to give away there. Yeah, that probably makes it a giveaway. Okay. So Indian soft drink concentrate is what we are looking for. Very simple.
Yeah. So this was my staple, guys. मैं शाम को खेल के वापस आती थी and मम्मी से बस यही मांगती थी. This was my childhood staple.
So I also remember doing this, and a lot of people used to do this during the summer exams when late March or early April. People actually used to put this into their water bottles and bring the same thing to the school through the whole day and keep on sipping it throughout the whole day. So this also used to happen.
True.
Yeah. Okay. And the last
And I guess
question.
Rahul Dravid also comes in a ad of that product in one of the ads. So yeah.
Right. And finally, which Taiwanese tea-based drink invented in the 1980s traditionally consists of tapioca balls? All right. If you have not had one of this so far, please go ahead and have this. Again, very, very interesting flavored tea, I would call this. But then, very interesting flavor and very interesting type of drink that you will probably have in your life. Really good answer. So, which Taiwanese tea-based drink invented in the 80s traditionally consists of tapioca balls? All right.
Pune has a
And
lot of joints which serve these guys. I don't know about other cities. Pune does.
Yeah, Pune is getting a catch of this thing. So you'll see a lot of places where you'll get this. So there's that. All right. We'll go to the questions that are from Anandita. So Anandita, over to you.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm a Bengali and so is she. She was born just hours after the declaration of Indian independence on 15th of August 1947. When she was a teenager, she was already married to a Bengali journalist or film director called Ajay Biswas, which ended shortly thereafter. At the film fair, she has been nominated 16 times, guys, 16 times. 8 for Best Actress and 8 for Supporting Actress, and making her the overall most nominated performer alongside Madhuri Dixit. So they've both been 16, 16 each. So who is this? Again, a very short name. One worded short name. He generally doesn't use any surname. Show me on this question. Oh, nice. You're most welcome. May that's a return gift.
Okay. Please let me know whenever we can go ahead.
Yeah, we can, I think.
Yep.
By the way, guys, wait, we go back. Post Ajay Vishwas, she got married to someone else, also very, very famous, which also broke. Not very shortly after, but yeah, that marriage also broke off. So yeah, and her daughter is a very, very famous national award winning director, guys. So
Okay. Here's question 12.
oh, so see, a person has a particular trait, and this person has some traits which is there in me also. So I want Purandar Das is considered to be an avatar of which divine being who is worshipped at temples in Chigyateri, which is in Karnataka, and Korva in again Karnataka. So yeah, I have similar traits with this divine being. Yeah, कभी कभी लगता है अपुन ही भगवान है, but yeah, and I'm pretty sure Nitesh will agree to my resemblance to this divine being. So yeah.
We will move on to question 13. Again, long
And
one.
my quiz is incomplete without putting Ray somewhere. So yeah, this guy was also deeply connected to Ray. So this person was a founding member of IPTA, and he left couple of years later when he started his own company or theater group. He wrote and directed what he called epic theater, a term he borrowed from Bertolt Brecht. So his Brecht Society was presided by Shotrit Rai first. Yeah. He also was a teacher of English at South Point School. That's where my brother studied. So yeah, South Point bhi aa gaya usme. And then so Lower Depths is the same book where Chetan Anand made Neecha Nagar, but he made a Bengali political play on that. And yeah, three of his major plays, Barricade and Dushapne Nagari, which is City of Nightmares, and Ebar Rajar Pala, which is now it is the King's Turn, drew crowds despite being officially banned. So yeah, and another clue to this, guys, his daughter was my professor in JNU. So yeah, another of my connect to this person.
Okay. A lot of personal connections and coming close to the answer. So that's good.
I wish I could have met him, but I sadly did not meet him.
So
And
very
those who
interesting.
follow me on Facebook can also check him on my page, I think, day before yesterday itself.
So very interestingly, the school I was in was also named South Point, but then
Yeah,
no
I
connection
read
to
that as well.
Kolkata South Point. But yeah, back in Nagpur, my the name of my school was also South Point. There's that. Okay,
It should be
moving
called
on.
the Center Point. Now you were in Nagpur, and Nagpur has a school called Center Point, right?
Nagpur does have a school called Center Point, but I was in South Point.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, here's question 14.
So yeah, I don't know why I put this question. Maybe yeah, one of my favorite person, one of my two favorite people have like two of my favorite people have the same title. It's a title. So one, so yeah, it's a title and suffix name used in Indian subcontinent, especially in the Indian states of Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, and Maharashtra. It is also one of the Congate Hindi variations of the original Hindu title Raja, like Raval or Rawat, used as equivalent royal style in certain princely states, notably of former British India. North Indians use it as a title. Maharashtrians mostly use it as a suffix to their first names, whereas down south it is mostly a surname. So can you see, guys, the geography is actually playing in the name also. So north has it in the name, title. When you come a little south towards Maharashtra, it is a suffix to the first name. When you come, further south, it's a surname. So वो geography even नाम के में भी आ गया. So yeah, what very short title and suffix are we talking about?
All right, let's move on to question 15. A couple of more questions to go. We have like 17 questions for today. We usually don't, but then since it was birthday girl and she insisted to have seven more questions, here we are.
So I want Rishabh to read out this question. I'll quickly go and grab my phone because there's an audio question.
I have the audio there. I have the audio. Anandita, I have the audio. You can wait though. Did she go? Yeah, she's gone. All right. Uh, Coming to this question. So, X is the current Mutawalli or caretaker, the only female one so far of the Ashaf. Sorry about my pronunciation. Auqaf-e-Shahi of Bhopal. So, Auqaf-e-Shahi refers to all those princely endowments and properties that are of religious or charitable significance. The Mutabali is responsible for the upkeep of mosques, dargahs, and Islamic shrines belonging to the erstwhile Bhopal Princedom. So, identify X. So, is there an audio with this question or the next question? Because I have an audio attached to this question.
The next question.
Yeah, but
Oh, you
then
have. Nice.
I have it
Okay.
in the presentation itself, but I'm not sure if I had. Yeah, let's just see. Let's just see. Okay, so I'm done
Go back to
explaining.
the previous question. The first
Yeah, here we go. I'm done reading the question. Please go ahead.
So X is the current Mutawali or the caretaker, the only female one so far of the Auqaf-e-Shahi of Bhopal. So Auqaf-e-Shahi refers to all those princely endowments or properties that are of religious or charitable significance. The Mutawali is responsible for the upkeep of mosques, dargahs, and Islamic shrines belonging to the erstwhile Bhopal princedom. So, who is X? You might not know X very much, but you know X's mother very well. You know X's father very well. You know X's elder sister very well. You know X's brother very elder brother really well. So that's the clue I can give you. Also, X's sister-in-law and brother-in-law well, and now to even nephew very well. So yeah, the nephew is a star in making. So yeah, everyone knows it.
Okay, we will go to the next one.
Yeah, so he was born in Khagaria, district of Bihar,
All right. No luck. Anandita has again gone. So till then, I'm gonna read out the question though, and try to figure out what the answer is. So okay, let me just quickly see what the answer is. Or is she back? Yes, she's back. Yeah,
Yeah,
go
so
ahead.
he was born in Khagaria, district of Bihar. He made his film debut with 1982 film Gandhi, which won the Academy Award for the Best Picture Film, that year. His partial filmography is given. Whose voice is it? Can you play the audio? Let's hear.
मेरे घर में कुकर कभी सीटी नहीं मारती आई प्ले ओनली विविध भारती व्हेन आई क्रूज इन माय मारुति बेटा डोंट नीड स्पोर्ट्स कार लाइक
I'll play it once again.
मेरे घर में कुकर कभी सीटी नहीं मारती आई प्ले ओनली विविध भारती व्हेन आई क्रूज इन माय मारुति बेटा डोंट नीड स्पोर्ट्स कार लाइक
So here we go.
So I'll just tell you what this guy is saying. He said, "मेरे घर पे कभी कुकर सीटी नहीं मारती. I watch only Vivid Bharti. I don't need sports car because I have," and then I blanked out. So think of a word which would rhyme with race cars or something like that, which this guy might have. So yeah.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure Rishabh doesn't know the answer to this. He's looking too clueless.
No, not really. No.
I genuinely did not give him the answer.
For this one, you didn't.
Let me give it to him and let me surprise him.
Okay.
For people who really want to know who this is, please DM me after the quiz.
All right. And can we go to 17?
And the last question.
Here we go. A lot of
So, the
questions.
quiz contest aired on Doordarshan in February 1967. Participants who could easily answer questions pertaining to Greek mythology were unable to reply to this question. In Ramayana, who was Ram's mother? X, who was so shocked by this, started why in an attempt to teach Indian children about their cultural heritage. He was surprised that Indian students were ignorant of their own history, mythology, and folklore. So identify X and Y. Again, connection to me. I have a huge collection of what he started with. So
Yeah. So this is one of the simpler questions.
yeah, he was in Gandhi Shadnik Sarkar. And that too in a big character role. So yeah.
All right. So that gets us to the last question for the day. We
And
will.
that too in a big character role. So yeah.
Yeah. So here we go. We will quickly summarize all the questions to yes. This is an easy peasy question. Okay. We'll quickly summarize all the questions for the day, and then we will. Yeah. So national vegetable of India. These two dishes are based out of that one. So which is national vegetable of India? Which color is the favorite color of Anandita? And the fill in the blank with this Microsoft product. Okay. The next question is think of rainbows, think of a famous brand, and think of what is the main ingredient of this frappuccino. The next question is about what is this structure inspired from? Okay. Specific answer will give you think of a golden color, think of a golden variety of this particular thing. Okay. And that would be your final answer there. The next question is what is this something inspired from? Okay, this dress is inspired from what? And question 6 to 10 are on beverages. So this is a recipe for which drink? Muddled mint leaves with sugar, lime juice, splash of soda, fill the glass with cracked ice, rum topped with soda, garnish the sprig of mint leaves and lemon slice. Right? That's question 7. Here's question 7. So pressed out of copy, what are we talking about? Question 8 is the Irish drink. Question 9 is taste in Sanskrit. And question 10 is Taiwanese tea drink based out of tapioca balls. Okay. Here's question 11. Anandita. Yeah. Anandita, yeah, go ahead.
I want the name of this actress who has the most nominations along with Madhuri Dixit. So yeah.
Yeah, here is 12 though. Here's question 12 though.
Yeah, so as I said, I have a characteristics in my personality which is very same to this person. I divine being. And also if you know who Purandar Das was, then that would be additional clue to this. So yeah.
Okay. Question 13.
Yeah, I want uh, the this playwright come actor come teacher who started this thing called epic theater.
Question 14.
So this is a suffix and a title and a middle name and everything. I just want this small name. Let's call it that way.
Okay. 15.
I want the current Mutawali of a Cafe Shahi of Bhopal,
Okay,
whose
and
entire family you might know, but that person is not very known. I mean, she's from a very illustrious family, and but she is someone who lives prefers living in the background. So yeah.
okay, last two.
Very quirky and cocky guys, but yeah, name this actor who started with Gandhi. And Rushabh saw the answer now, I guess.
I did.
Yeah. So think of things which can come after cars, fast cars. That he doesn't want fast cars, but something else.
So now that I've seen the answer, I want to listen to his voice.
मेरे घर में कुकर कभी सीटी नहीं मारती. I play only Vivid Bharati when I cruise in my Maruti. Beta, don't need sports car. I got.
I still doubt if it's his voice. I still doubt that.
No, that is his voice. So I will send you the entire video, YouTube video.
Sure. Okay, and the final question.
Yes. So final question is some Indian mythology quiz happening. The quiz master got really bugged and started something. So yeah, we quiz masters get bugged very easily, guys. And this got bugged. This guy got bugged too, and he started something which has since then a love for me, my parents, and everyone. So I have a huge collection. The first addition to this entire collection came, I think, way back in '66 in my place. So my father had the first thing. So yeah. No,
All right.
66 only. Sorry, 76. So yeah, it came in 76 to my place first.
So yeah, that brings us to an end to the quiz today. So thanks a lot, guys, for joining in. Again, this was the birthday special along with Anandita. So Anandita, again, a very happy birthday to all of from all of us
Thank you.
from
ऐसे करो. ऐसे
to you. So here we are. And before closing off, any final things you want to add?
I love you all. Please keep quizzing, keep rocking, have fun.
Okay. Uh, I've got a couple of yeah. Sagnik says nice set, and yes, all right. Thank you, Sagnik. Thank you, there. All right. So yeah, guys, that's it from us for today. We'll see you, of course, very soon.
Sneha,
Uh,
Sneha,
on
I have
the
a collection of 180 of them. I have a collection of 180 of them. Beat that.
so now it has become a competition about who has a bigger collection. Good. Okay. So yeah, I guess that's all for today. Very much looking forward to your answers, guys. And then we'll tell you about when we will plan to go live well in advance before coming out. And yes, Samiran, thanks a lot. He says it was a workable set. Thank you, there. Sneha says some easy questions. Yes, because we
Then
want this to be something very much available to a wider and general audience. That's why we are doing it on an open platform and rather than something like a competitive atmosphere. So there's that. Well, of course, you can always expect some easy questions. So that's that. Okay, so thanks a lot, guys. So it was fun
yeah.
quizzing all of you along with Anandita, and looking forward to your answers. see you again very soon. So thanks a lot.
Bye bye.